Yo guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you're doing very well. In this video you can see I didn't enter this trade, but I put the trade box down. Basically it was the weekend. We had this trend line and then we broke out of it and then we formed another trend line, closing multiple candles outside of this trend line. And this happened the other week as well. I literally experienced this the other week. Alright guys, it's me from the future just going back in time. I just want to intersect this video and show you what last week's price action looked like. Pretty much kind of the same idea. You got a trend line the whole of Sunday. We broke out of it on Monday, and then we retested kind of the trend line. We retested it there. See price, that's too much of a wick, so you need to kind of put it there and then extend it a bit out, and then you can see that looks a bit better. But you can see all in all, that golden Fibonacci retracement zone held in line with that retest of the trend line from this whole move up, this A, B, C, or whatever the case may be, from the low to the high. You can see we held the golden zone in line with that trend line. Yes, I just said that. All in all, if you treated this as an SFP, we saw that we started trading back above the golden zone, even retested it kind of and started shooting up. Could have entered long there, targeting the high there, which would have got hit, or even better, the high of this whole move, which you can see got liquidity swept perfectly before that move down, guys. So yeah, this is last week's price action, and this is this week's. Anyway, we broke the trend line, and then we were around here, entered long. Well, I didn't enter long. Stop loss at the lows and 1 to 3 hit again. Look at that, perfect. So this is just a simple 5-minute weekend trend line breakout strategy. Literally see the trend line, wait for the breakout, bit of Fibonacci in there, double bottom at the golden zone, get the push up, come claim the high, targeting 3 RR. You can see that's exactly what happened, guys. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. Hope you learned something here. Probably not because it's such a short video, but yeah, just a quick one, guys.